You know what's a great marketing giveaway? Whoopee Cushions. I prefer fart pillow, but I'm going to stay professional here and call them Whoopee Cushions. We had a campaign where we sent folks a series of fun items with serious supporting materials, of course. After a year, we wanted a fun, attention-grabbing marketing giveaway to wrap it up for those who ignored us and maybe make them really ignore us moving on. Lo and behold, there are companies that will print your logo and more on a whoopee cushion. We took this one step forward for some reason and actually printed a poem on it. We'll put it in the comments. But isn't that fun? Yeah. Can everybody give away a fart pillow? Hardly. But our core value message is we're the cool guys in IT and keeping IT jerk free since 2007. So a fart pillow actually kind of makes sense for us. What's even more fun? Yeah! I'm a professional. What do you do for fun marketing? Tell me about it in the comments below.